have you ever wondered what it's like to witness a raw, authentic narrative that delves into the human psyche? And as a seasoned film critic, I recently had the chance to experience just that with Andrea Arnold's latest film, Bird. With 3 Conjury crises under her belt, I had high hopes for this exploration of preteen angst and existential freedom. But does it live up to the hype? Bird follows the journey of Bailey, a clever yet impressionable 12-year-old girl, as she navigates life's turbulence in a world filled with violence and unpredictability, living with her father, brother, and a mysterious man named Bird. Bailey's story is a heart-wrenching tale of preteen angst and the yearning for personal freedom. But does the film truly capture the complexities of reality, or does it fall short, resorting to simplistic solutions? Let's dive in. At first, Bird is portrayed as a seemingly harmless individual in need of aid. However, this raises questions. Why would a mysterious man seek help from a 12-year-old girl? And why does he frequently photograph himself in precarious situations where Bailey can easily observe him? While Bird effectively portrays the realm of preteen angst, I find myself questioning Arnold's decision to employ magical realism as a means to resolve the movie's underlying issues. Bailey's struggles, mate, this element seems like an overly simplistic solution, as life is intricate and unjust in that way. Despite its shortcomings, Bird delivers a commendable performance by Nykiya, whose portrayal of raw emotion and physical anger is truly captivating. However, the film is marred by a series of missteps, leading to a final product that raises more questions than it answers satisfactorily. In the end, Bird is a film worth seeing for Nykiya remarkable performance, but it falls short of truly capturing the complexities of childhood trauma, leaving viewers with a sense of unfulfilled potential. So if you're looking for a raw, authentic narrative that delves into the human psyche, Bird might not be the film for you, but it's still worth a watch for Nykiya captivating performance. With that said, thanks for watching, and till next time.